Hello there, and today we're going to show you a quick trick in Steam if one of your games isn't launching. So if you click on it and it's not launching the game, and it has done before, then we're going to show you an easy trick on how to sort it. So if you go to a game that's not working, so if we say Orwell's not working in this case, if we right click on it, it has moved, but if you go to properties of the game, it should load up this window. And once this window loads up, if you go to installed files, okay, and then you go on here, you'll see there's options to create backups. The option we're looking for is verifying this game's files are installed correctly. You can read an FAQ on it for more details, but if you click on verify integrity of the game files, this will make sure that all the files that are needed for it to run are still present on the system. So sometimes antivirus software can get rid of files, you can accidentally delete files, the game can update incorrectly and get corrupted. The install might not be valid if it's never launched. And what this does is go step by step through the files to verify that all the files related to the game that it needs to work are present on your computer in correct order. And if they aren't there, what it will do is it will in turn fix these files, which will then allow you to launch the game again. So this is well worth doing if you're having any problems at all launching Steam games. And once the process completes, it should give us a mini report on what's happened. The process overall will depend on the size of the game. So Orwell itself is a reasonably small game, so it's 718.81 megabytes on this hard drive. Longer games will take longer, and it obviously depends on your PC as well. After you've clicked verify there, if it's found no problems, then you should be ready to go. If it does have any remedial work to do, it'll do it straight after that. So that's just a quick tip to get your Steam games to launch if they are not currently launching for you. Hope that helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and we shall see you again shortly. Bye!